So in these next couple of examples, we're going to do the opposite of what we were doing in the previous example. So instead of expanding the expressions, we're going to condense them using the properties that we learned. So starting with the first two terms here, I see subtraction. So I'm going to use the quotient rule. So that gives me the log of, the log of 3 over 4. And then also these two terms here, we can also use the quotient rule as well. So that's the log of 5 divided by 6. And here, don't worry too much about which terms you're going to combine first, since it's all subtraction and addition. Those are the only operations in this expression. Order of operations will follow through. So then now I can combine these two terms and condense them using the product rule. So the product rule says that the sum of those two terms is the same as the log of 3 over 4 times 5 over 6. And then here we can just simplify those fractions. And so then that gives me the log of, and let's see here, that's 1, 2, the log of 5 over 8. Okay. Let's take a look at another example where we are going to condense the expression. So let's take it step by step. So here, I'm going to apply the power rule. So the power rule says 2 times the log of x is the same thing as the log of x squared. Okay, and then I'm just going to do the same thing with this expression here. I can apply the power law. So that's the same thing as the log of x minus 5 to the 4th power plus, and then again apply that power rule. So that's the same thing as the log of 3x plus 5 to the 1/2 power. But the 1/2 power, I can rewrite that as the log of the square root of 3x plus 5. Okay, so I'm just going to bring everything else down here. And then let's see if we can condense this even further. So here, I hope that you can see that we've got subtraction here. So that means that I can apply the quotient rule. So that means that that is the same thing as the log of x squared divided by x minus 5 to the 4th power plus the log of the square root of 3x plus 5. And then here we can apply the product rule. So this is the same thing as the log of x squared times the square root of 3x plus 5 all over x minus 5 to the 4th power.